Hello there, this is Illumin, the owner of this very channel, Illumin Forex and Finance Hub. As its name implies, content relating to Forex and Finance will be uploaded on this channel for your consumption. If this looks like what interests you in any way, kindly stay tuned.
Right, yeah, so Bitcoin actually hit all-time high in the month of March this year. Yeah, and of course, this is not the first time it's reaching all-time high. There was one which happened in 2022, November 2021. Wow, November 2021, I thought it was actually 2022. All right, so it happened in 2021. That was the last time there was an all-time high. Before then, also, it happened in April 2020, same 2021. Right. So, but that is actually not the subject of my discussion today. I just quickly want to put my perspective regarding those that may be tempted to buy. We call it FOMO, the fear of missing out. So, because um, it's at the all-time high, a lot of people want to buy so that they benefit from the fact that Bitcoin is on a bull run. But that is not the case. If we look at the previous from a technical perspective, if you look at the previous all-time high that we've had in the past, there was a massive drop immediately after the all-time high. Right? So we don't want to find ourselves buying at this case or at this point because there may be a repeat. I'm not saying it will exactly happen like this or like this. I'm only saying that there will be a repeat of such because once a high is picking up, there is possibility that there will be a bearish run to the most recent low to take it to the most recent high. So from a technical perspective, because I'm a technical trader, it is not advisable to buy at the high. We only buy from low to high, and then we sell from high to low. So this is what I can see. This is what I can see from here. This is a liquidity point which was set 3 years ago. Imagine. It was set 3 years ago, and the market came after 3 years to take it out. So those that are of course, we all know that liquidity points are strong points in the market. They are the places that price is attracted to, right? So price has taken out this high. There's very high possibility, probability that we would see something like this. This high has been taken out already, so we may maybe go a bit higher again and then come down to this region, and then we'll see another push to the upside. So this is my projection for Bitcoin. This is not a financial advice, however, but this is what I project for Bitcoin to do since the high has been taken already. And what is actually giving me confidence that there will be a kind of rejection from this point, even though there are not so much of what's it called now, chart, right? But we can see that there was a kind of support, a kind of resistance that became support, right? Resistance that became support. I'm not a support and resistance trader, but I know it works sometimes. It works sometimes. A smart money trader, but I know that support and resistance will work. So you can see that there was the first time markets came to this region, the region of 1,000 16,000 rather, there was a rejection at first. When it came to that region again, there was a rejection again before it broke it. Right? It broke it, and then it was a resistance because it was resisting the price, right? But now has come to support because price has come there once, rejected, come there again. Don't forget this is a monthly time frame. So come there again, and it has then rejected to take up the price. So I want to see something like this, however. But in order to, before I actually finish this, because it's actually a brief one, I don't want it too long. Yeah, so let's look at 3 month time frame. Let's see what the price is saying. And then you can see that it's saying almost the same thing. When we look at 6 months, let's see how it looks like in the 6 month time frame. In the 6 month time frame, we are seeing virtually the same thing. So I think I want to stop at there, but before then, actually, let's quickly check maybe we've checked 1 month. Let's check weekly. Let's see what is there at that place of resistance. Let's see if there's anything that will bounce price back up. Okay, I don't think there's really anything serious, but we could see an imbalance. There's an imbalance here. Imbalance is an insufficiency in the market that needs to be filled, right? An insufficiency in the market that needs to be filled. So price may have to come into this imbalance and then reject from there. So this is my projection for Bitcoin. So not my financial advice, my advice actually is that this is not the best time to buy, and this is better this is a better time to sell rather than buying. If you want to sell, you can sell at this point. That means there's possibility for a redistribution in this place. Let's look at it from the in the 1 week, 1 week time frame, nothing like that. In the 1 week, let's look at 1 day daily time frame. So from a daily perspective, we can see that we have somewhat kind of structural points, right? Structural points which may be the case eventually. We can see that there's a kind of structure you don't forget to on the daily. So we have high, low, lower high, then lower low, then lower high, then lower low, then we have another lower high in this area. So we may see something like this, or maybe this what's it called here? This smart money queue where smart money hides. Where they hide here, we may see a push up rather from here. Instead, we may see a push up from here. Can see some kind of reaccumulation here, and then push up, right? So these are my projection um for Bitcoin. So please don't buy, don't be caught up with FOMO, right? So don't say because okay, this is what the price did in the past, this is what um, um it will be again. No, sometimes it doesn't work that way. Okay. So actually the based on the news that was released, the essence of the reason why Bitcoin hit this all-time high was the fact that actually um it was actually what's it called now? Um was attributed to the approval of Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. So that was why we saw this push up. So now Bitcoin is legally in the United States approved to be used, right? The ETF is approved to be used in the United States. So that's why we saw this push up, right? And you know there are bosses that regulate the market. We call them smart money. So don't fall into their trap. All right, take care of this. Take care, everyone. Have a nice time. Don't forget to hit the like button if this has actually blessed you, and subscribe to my channel. Take care and God bless.
I believe this video has been helpful in some way. If that is the case, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more content, rich content such as this.